Welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare Goan Stuffed Squids. I have taken 10 squids here which I have thoroughly cleaned. If you want to see the cleaning process, I have given the link in the I button, so please do check out. Add salt to the squids, mix well and set aside for 30 minutes. These are the squid tentacles which I have cleaned. You have to chop these squid tentacles into small pieces as we will use this in making the stuffing. To make the stuffing, you heat oil in a pan. Add chopped onion and saute till the onion becomes translucent. Next, add Recheado Masala. If you want to see the recipe for Recheado Masala, I've made a video previously. You can check out from the I button. Now add salt, sugar and mix well. Cook this mixture till the raw flavor goes away. Once the masala is nicely cooked, add your chopped tentacles, mix well and cook it for around 5 minutes till the moisture is slightly reduced. Remove this mixture in a separate bowl and allow it to cool. Now comes the main part. Stuff the squid with the stuffing and cover the mouth with a toothpick and keep aside. You have to do this for all the squids. Place the squids into the same pan in which you had prepared the stuffing. Add the residual water which was remaining. Cover the lid and cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. After that, you turn them on the other side and cover the lid and cook for more 5 minutes. You should not cook the squids more than 10 minutes because it will become rubbery. You can slightly cook that liquid so you get a nice glaze onto the squids. I've given the written recipe in the description. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.